Welcome to Dialogue Dreams. Hi, Dad. Are you at the airport yet?
Hello, sweetie. Yes, I'm at the airport now.
That's good, Dad. Are you feeling okay?
Yes, I'm feeling fine. Just a bit tired from the journey.
Did you find a comfortable chair to sit in?
Yes, I found a nice chair.
That's great. So, when will your flight take off?
My flight is in about 2 hours. I have some time to relax before it leaves.
All right, Dad. Don't forget to stay hydrated. And take care of yourself.
Thanks, honey. I will make sure to drink water and rest a bit. I will miss you.
I will miss you too, Dad. Have a safe trip, okay?
I will, sweetie. I love you.
I love you too, Dad. Goodbye, for now.
Hello, sir. May I help you with something to eat or drink during the flight?
Oh, hi. Yes, I would like something to drink, please.
Of course. We have water, juice, soda, and tea or coffee. What would you prefer?
I would like a glass of water, please.
Certainly, here you go. Anything to eat, like a snack or a meal?
I'm a bit hungry. What snacks do you have?
We have some snacks, like pretzels, peanuts, and cookies. Which one would you like?
I will have some cookies, please.
Great choice. Here are your cookies. Is there anything else I can get you?
Actually, could I also have a cup of tea, please?
Of course. What type of tea would you like? We have black tea, green tea, and herbal tea.
I will have a black tea with a little bit of sugar.
Perfect. Here is your tea. Enjoy your snacks and tea. If you need anything else, just let me know.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Have a pleasant flight.
Hello. Are you Roger?
Are you Sarah?
Yes, I am. Nice to meet you, Roger.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah. Thank you for coming to pick me up.
You are welcome. Welcome to the United States. I hope you had a comfortable flight.
Yes, it was good, thanks. How far is the hotel in New York from here?
It's about 30 minutes by car, if the traffic is okay. I have already arranged transportation for you.
That sounds great. Thank you for taking care of everything.
No problem at all. By the way, would you like some coffee before we head to the hotel?
Oh no, thanks, I'm fine. I had some on the plane.
Good afternoon. How can I assist you today?
Hi, I'm Roger. I have a reservation.
Let me check that. Ah, yes, Mr. Roger, welcome. Your room is ready, and you can check in now. Can I have your passport, please?
Here you are.
Do you want a smoking or non-smoking room?
Smoking, please. Can you tell me about the hotel's facilities?
Sure. We have a gym on the third floor. a restaurant on the ground floor, and free Wi-Fi everywhere. You can also order room service.
Excellent. Is there a time for checkout I should know?
Checkout is at 12 p.m., but if you need a later checkout, please let us know in the morning.
Thank you. One more thing. How do I connect to the Wi-Fi?
You will find the login details in your room. Enjoy your stay. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask.
What is my room number?
Your room number 305 on the third floor.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
It's nice to finally sit down and chat.
Yes, indeed. It's good to get to know you better.
So, where in the UK are you from?
I'm from West London.
Is it a nice place to live?
Yeah, it's a great city. Lots to do and see. Are you originally from New York?
No. Actually, I'm from San Francisco.
That's cool. So, are you married?
No, I'm not married. And you?
We are divorced. I have a daughter, and she lives with her mother.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. How old is your daughter?
Thank you. She is 9 years old. By the way, how old are you? Is that too personal to ask?
Well, it's not too personal. I'm 26. And you?
I'm 30. Would you like one more drink?
No thanks, Roger. I have to go now. Our first meeting is at 10 a.m. tomorrow.
All right, Sarah. See you tomorrow. Good night.
Excuse me, ma'am, I'm really sorry. But your laundry isn't ready yet. It will take another 4 to 5 hours.
What? But I have an important meeting at 10 a.m. And I don't have any other clothes to wear.
I apologize for the inconvenience, ma'am. There was a delay in the laundry service. And I understand. It's causing you trouble.
How can I attend my meeting like this?
I'm really sorry, ma'am.
Well, is there a nearby store? Or somewhere I can buy some clothes quickly?
Yes, ma'am. There is a market nearby our hotel, where you can buy clothes.
Thank you. I will go there. Hello.
Hey, Sarah. I'm standing outside your hotel. Come down.
Oh, I'm sorry, Roger. I'm in a cab right now. I'm going to the market to buy some clothes.
Clothes? What happened?
It's a long story. I will explain later.
All right, no worries. Take your time. We have enough time to attend the meeting.
Thanks. I appreciate your understanding.
I will go to the office then. You can meet me there.
Okay, sounds good. I will see you at the office. Hello, ma'am. I need to buy some clothes urgently.
Of course. We have a variety of options. What are you looking for?
I have a meeting in a few hours. And my clothes are stuck at the hotel laundry. I need something professional and suitable for a business meeting.
I understand. Let me show you some options. What's your size?
I'm a medium.
Here are a few dresses and blouses. That might work for you. Take your time and try them on.
These look good. Do you have any other trousers?
Here are some trousers that would match those tops.
I will take this blouse and these trousers. Can you please help me with the fitting room?
Sure, come this way. Let me know if you need help with zippers or buttons.
This fits perfectly. I will take them.
Great choice. Is there anything else you need?
Thank you for your help. But I think I have everything I need now. How much do I owe you?
Your total comes to $75.
Here you go. Thank you for saving the day.
You're welcome. Good luck with your meeting. And I hope you have a wonderful day.
Hey, Roger. The meeting went really well. I'm relieved.
That's great to hear, Sarah. I'm glad it went smoothly. What happened with the laundry at the hotel?
My clothes were not ready. So I bought these right before the meeting.
You handled it brilliantly.
Thanks.
Coffee to celebrate?
Perfect. Let's go then.
Sarah, can I ask you something?
Yeah, what is it?
Would you like to have dinner with me tonight?
Tonight?
Well, you see, it's my birthday.
Oh. Happy birthday, Roger. I'm sorry. But I can't have dinner tonight because I'm busy.
That's okay. How about Friday night?
Well, okay. Friday night works for me.
Great. Do you know a good restaurant?
Let me think. Do you like Italian food?
I love it.
Perfect. There is a new Italian restaurant in town. We can go there.
Sounds good to me. I'm looking forward to it.
Hello there. How can I help you today?
Hi. I'm looking for a birthday gift for a friend. Any recommendations?
Of course. Is there anything specific your friend likes, or any hobbies?
Well, he mentioned he listens to music and enjoys reading.
That's helpful. We have a nice selection of books. And some cool music-related gifts. Let me show you.
I think he would like that book. Do you have it in stock?
Let me check for you. Yes, we have it right here. Great choice.
Wonderful. I will take the book. Do you offer gift wrapping?
Absolutely. We can gift wrap it for you. Is there anything else you would like to add to the gift?
No. Just the gift wrapping, please. Hi. I have a friend who's staying here. And I would like to meet him.
Of course. I can help you with that. May I know your friend's name, please?
His name is Roger.
Okay. Let me check for you. Can I see some identification, please?
Here you go.
Thank you. You may go to his room. The room number is 305 on the third floor.
Happy birthday, Roger.
Wow. Thank you, Sarah. Please have a seat.
I brought you a little something.
You didn't have to. But thank you so much.
I hope you like it. It's a book about music. And I remembered you enjoy reading.
It's perfect. I love it, Sarah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Why are you standing? Please have a seat.
So, how was the rest of your birthday?
Honestly, it's even better now that you're here. Thanks for making my evening special.
If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.